Next week we will do quite a few events, among them two Red42 Info Hours. The first on Monday, that's the 31st of October. That info hour will be about OpenSpace beta. Please come and join me to learn about where does this transformation approach come from, where do the roots lie, how does it work, where can it be used, how can you make it your own if you like. And the second info hour by Red42 next week will be on the following day, the 1st of November. And that one will be about cell structure design. Many of you must have heard about it, I hope have heard about it. The only potent org design approach for the age of complexity. I will talk about that in the info hour on the 1st of November. Sign up please on Eventbrite to these two events. Monday 31st of October, OpenSpace beta. Tuesday 1st of November, cell structure design. Both events are free of charge. I'm looking forward to see you there. See you soon.